Hey, welcome back sa channel natin. Today, we're checking out one of the coolest spots in Baguio, the Chinese Temple. It's a place na puno ng kalma, kultura, at stunning views. Tara, samahan niyo ako! Nasa Campus Yoco ito, just a few minutes away from Baguio's city center. This temple is a symbol ng vibrant Chinese-Filipino community dito. Hindi lang ito lugar ng pagsamba, pero perfect din para mag-relax at mag-reflect. Ang ganda ng lugar, di ba? Ang peaceful ng vibe dito, perfect para sa mga gusto mag-unwind at mag-escape sa city noise. Check out these details. The temple is adorned with traditional Chinese architecture, vibrant colors, dragon motifs, at mga statues ng mga deities. Parang stepping into a different world talaga. Ang galing ng craftsmanship, no? Bawat sulok may kwento. Sobrang Instagrammable pa. Visitors can light incense sticks as a sign of respect and prayer. Simple yet meaningful ritual na nagko-connect sa culture at spirituality ng lugar. Pwedeng mag-offer ng prayers dito. Kahit hindi tayo Chinese, welcome tayo sumali sa tradisyon nila. Respect lang ang kailangan. One of the best parts ng temple na ito is the viewing deck. From here, you can see the breathtaking scenery of Baguio. Mountains, pine trees, at ang city below. Perfect for meditation o simply appreciating nature. Ang ganda ng view, di ba? Parang gusto mo na lang magstay dito ng matagal. Sobrang relaxing! The Chinese temple is more than just a tourist spot. It's a place ng culture, peace, at connection. Whether you're here to pray, reflect, or just enjoy the view, definitely worth a visit. So, if you're in Baguio, don't miss this gem. Tara, explore tayo ulit sa next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!